What's up, guys? We got a balloon arc here. Very cool stuff that comes in the box. We have these two bases. Okay, these are where our arc's gonna start, at these two bases. These go into here to hold the rest of the piping. So these go into here. I think the piping connects to here, actually, this plastic part. You just insert that. These are the rods that you just snap together to form the arc. These little plastic things, these are what's gonna hold your balloons so that you can get them nice and organized. They gave us a pump so that we could pump up the balloons with air easier. They gave us these balloon knotters to help us tie knots in the balloons very easily. And then they give some rope to help us secure the balloons even more. Some stakes where you can put this into the ground. These are actually cool. You fill them up with water and it makes the bases heavier so they won't go off flying everywhere if it's windy. And then they also gave us this glue that you could put on the balloons to kind of connect them together.
Just throw this type of sticks, they fit in together quickly.
Put one in that corner, yeah. There you go, and then there's one, there you go. We're gonna put it in one end here. One end goes in here, if you guys can see the balloons. And we're gonna send one set all the way to the other side. Now, what you do is you move all the balloons all the way to one end, but right now we're gonna keep it there in the middle. All right, so the ring, you could design it with any kind of colors you want. Beautiful arch. We put the big ones in here and it goes all the way through. It's very simple to put together. The hardest part is blowing up the balloons. It's gonna take you quite a while. It took me and two other people probably an hour to half an hour just to blow the balloons up and make sure that they didn't fly away, and tie it down too. Make sure that you clip them up, and you're gonna require a little bit of tape here and there so you could keep the arch going. Simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.